Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can count in Excel. So let's start. This is our data. We can see that here month-wise revenue data by different teams are available. So how we can count? We can count in different ways. Uh, I'm showing you few ways. Uh, Look, there are three columns here, and every column has same amount of rows. So I'm just picking one to count. If we, to count, select the whole data. I'm doing it again. Select the whole data range. You will see here the count is given 37. But here 37, you have to deduct one from this number, that is 36, because it is including the heading. Okay, that's why the data point started from here to here, count is 36. Okay, so don't include the header. We can also do the count by click on this first point, then press Ctrl Shift and then press down arrow key. It will select the whole data range. You will see the count is 36. Okay, another way we can do this by formula. I'm writing a formula here, count, count. Here the formula is given. We can double click on it, and then I will give the entire data range here. That is from here, Control Shift Enter down. Sorry, Control Shift down arrow key. Then closing bracket Enter. Look, we have the count. So this is where we can do count rows in Excel. Thank you very much.